Hi, this is James from Sonic Electronix. You may have been noticing it's getting a little cooler lately. So today I wanted to talk about some remote starts. We have a pretty simple one here from Kleinn. These are vehicle-specific kits that have T-harnesses with them. So they're very simple installations. We also do carry some of the RF kits that extend the range of the vehicle, and they do have additional buttons for some additional options if it's something that you would want to do. These are all add-ons, none of these come with it. They also do have a mobile unit with a subscription fee that operates off of GPS, so that can be used from anywhere in the world as long as you have access to GPS. Within the unit, or within the box I should say, we do have just the module itself. We have a T-harness, and a couple of little adapters. This goes for some of the other vehicles that go with the standard anywhere in this year range Ford key or push to start vehicles. The vehicle that we're going to be doing this in today is a 2018 F-150. So luckily, all we need is this lovely T-harness. This is going to be a real simple install that you'll be able to do in about 30 minutes to an hour. All right, so to begin this install, you only need a few things, especially on our 2018 Ford F-150. You want to pull up the installation guide either on your phone. They leave a very nice little card in here telling you where to go for either tech support if you're having issues with it. And right here on the inside of the box, scan your QR code for your instructions. Okay, we've already gone to the site, pulled up the installation guide, and you want to verify your vehicle. F-150 2018 covered. Very easy. So you only need a couple of tools. You just need some zip ties, pair of snips, and then we'll move on to the vehicle. All right, so we've got all our parts in the car, just the tools that we need, and the gateway unit is actually right here. It's the little connector right behind the OBD2 sensor. This is it. Okay, take our harness, done, plug this back in. Done. So all we need to do now is make our connections to the end. These are all color coded, so there shouldn't be any issue. So first thing it wants us to do, press and hold the programming button. Insert the 4-pin data link connector, right? And it's going to start flashing. All right, now that we've held that, release the programming button until it is blue. Good there. And then insert the remaining connectors. And that should be it. So now, after we held down the programming button, just wants us to do a couple things. You're going to turn the ignition on, wait a couple seconds, off. LEDs will stop flashing blue. Turn it back on again. It's going to flash yellow, and then it should be done. There's our flashing blue. Turn it off. Turn it back on again. Goes yellow. Wait 5 seconds. Turn the unit back off, and you should be done. Now, how you test the unit at this point, it's real easy. Grab your keys. You're going to go lock, unlock, lock. There you go, it's that easy. Now all you need to do from here, very simply, there's a nice open space up here in the back where you can zip tie this all up nicely and get it all up out of the way. Other than that, you're all good to go. One thing I would just do is just simply hit the brake, make sure it turns off. Okay, because the ignition wasn't fully turned on, it was just remote started. If it does not turn off, I would stop and contact the manufacturer just to make sure you're good and everything was set up correctly in the right steps. Well, I hope you enjoyed the install of this quick remote start unit. Hopefully it went just as simple and easy for you at home. We're going to leave a link in our description to our Kleinn store. So all you need to do, go to our store, use our vehicle fit guide, you'll be able to find out which one of these fits your vehicle.